Hey there, professionals. Today, I'm going to dive into our incredible $0 to $5 million mentorship programs designed for business development representatives. These programs are designed to equip you with the tools, strategies, and mentorship needed to generate over $5 million in revenue while making a meaningful impact on your community. Let's break down these transformative tracks. First up, we have the commercial concrete sales track. Here, you'll learn how to position, market, and sell commercial concrete services to big-time developers and builders. You'll master strategies for building a high-performing pipeline and closing large volume deals. Next, there's the home renovation services track. This track focuses on project financing and client relations in residential renovations. You'll gain expertise in connecting homeowners with renovation loans and ensuring seamless project execution. For those interested in new construction, the new construction services track is your go-to. You'll dive into sales for new builds, from single-family homes to large developments. Learn to collaborate effectively with builders, realtors, and buyers to fund and manage projects. Then there's the Dream Team program for loan officers track. This track specializes in helping home buyers secure funding, especially for first-time buyers. Develop the skills to become a trusted advisor for both buyers and community partners. Got a knack for digital platforms? The social media marketing for business development track will teach you how to harness these tools to market commercial concrete, renovation loans, and new construction services. Generate high-quality leads and build a strong online brand presence. The commercial lending track is focused on multifamily loans and is perfect for those eyeing big projects. Explore lending solutions for multifamily apartments, office buildings, and storage facilities. Learn to underwrite and structure loans for high-value projects. Lastly, the I Renovate Realtor Partnerships track shows you how to dominate the field through realtor partnerships, leverage financing options, provide continuing education for realtors, and showcase your construction services to score massive sales. So if you're ready to take your career to the next level, these specialty mentorship programs are your ticket to success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Until next time.